Hello friends. So we are meeting after some time, little bit of gap. So welcome to our new series, Know Your Rubrics. Okay. We have started these new series. Previously we used to come with riddles. I think up till now we have uploaded 14, almost 14, 16 riddles. And I hope you have enjoyed those interactions. So today I have come with a new series, that is Know Your Rubrics. Before going into that, let me remind you that we are online. ESSENS Series 1 is going on. Registration is going on. For all those who are interested, the description is in the link. You can go through it, and if you feel you are interested, please register yourself. Okay? So on this ESSENS channel, the reason we started with rubrics because we got many feedbacks. Some people contacted us personally, some wrote in the descriptions, in the comments. So we thought, let's do this. Let's talk about rubrics, and this kind of interaction is also very enriching. So today I have come with the rubric weeping. When we talk about weeping, we understand, or immediately it comes to our mind, there are many parallel rubrics or similar rubrics like crying, howling, sobbing, lamenting. So whenever a person gives his version, we have to analyze it and categorize it into these different rubrics. For that, essentially it is important that we understand the meaning of these rubrics. So let me just read out to you the dictionary meaning of these rubrics, right? Crying is to produce tears as a result of strong emotion. Loud sound, cry of despair, or shout to attract attention. Okay, example like fire, help, all this is also crying. Howling is making loud sound, howling of a storm, or howling of a wolf. These are very common phrases which we use. Sobbing is to cry noisily in deep breaths, जिसे हम कहते हैं ना सुबक सुबक के रोना. Lamenting is to express sorrow or sadness, often demonstratively, like lamenting the death of a young man. This is a very favorite rubric of ours. Like एसेंस में सब लोग lamenting use करते हैं. And now let's go to weeping. The meaning of weeping is to express passion by shedding tears or to give off, जैसे weeping wound कहते हैं हम लोग. Leaking of fluid, to droop. हैरी पॉटर में हमने वीपिंग विलो देखा है, से ड्रूपिंग विलो है ना, जो कोई एचपी फैंस है उन्हें मालूम है. So all these are the dictionary meaning of weeping. Now let us understand how do we use it in our day-to-day repertorization. सर ने मोहंती सर ने वीपिंग समझाते समय एक वर्ड यूज किया था, टूट जाना. दैट मीन्स एज आई अंडरस्टूड इट कि एक इमोशन चलता है, लेट इट बी एन इमोशन ऑफ जॉय, लेट इट बी एन इमोशन ऑफ सैडनेस. वो चलता रहता है, हम टॉलरेट करते रहते हैं, बेयर करते रहते हैं, एंड देन अ पॉइंट कम्स वेयर दैट कंट्रोल फैक्टर इज नॉट देयर, यू कांट टॉलरेट इट, एंड देन you give way to that emotion. That breaking point is weeping. I'll give you an example. Okay? अब जैसे एक लड़की है जिसकी शादी हो रही है, तो शादी के दिन उठते हैं सब लोग एकदम उत्साह में, everybody is all enthusiastic and preparations are going on. लेकिन सबके माइंड पे चल रहा है कि आज ये विदा होगी, है ना, आज ये चली जाएगी, अपने ससुराल चली जाएगी. सवेरे से वो इमोशन चल रहा है साइड बाय साइड, जॉय भी है, सैडनेस भी है. एंड देन ऑल द रिचुअल्स दे टेक प्लेस. एवरीबडी, जैसे वो घड़ी विदाई की पास आती है, धीरे धीरे वो इमोशन बिल्टअप होता रहता है. एंड देन व्हाट हैपन्स, जब विदाई होती है, ऑल कंट्रोल्स आर लॉस्ट, एंड देन एवरीबडी इज वीपिंग. यू गॉट इट? दैट इज व्हाट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट वीपिंग. Now let's take another example कि अभी बहुत सारे लोगों के बच्चे पढ़ने के लिए बाहर जाते हैं, है ना, अब्रॉड जाते हैं, आने वाले हैं। अब हफ्ते बाद में मेरा बेटा आने वाला है या मेरी बेटी आने वाली है, तो सब तैयारियां चलती है ना। पहली बार आ रहा है, एमएस करने गया है, एमडी करने गया, अभी आने वाला है, and then you are preparing, and then the week ends and the day comes, and now you are all ready to welcome him or her. And then what happens is, the moment come when your child is standing there in front of you, and then all the controls have gone, and then you start shedding whatever your way of expression. Okay, so what is weeping? It is to express passion. This is what you are expressing. Now expression can be with tears or without tears. So weeping को tears के साथ 100% जोड़ना सही होगा या नहीं होगा, ये आप सोचिए, राइट। सो दिस इज वीपिंग, इसलिए उन्होंने वो टूट जाना शब्द यूज किया था। गुप्ता सर ने तो इतनी सुंदर तरीके से हमें समझाया था, मैं आपसे शेयर करती हूँ वट एवर ही हैड एक्सप्लेन। सो लाइक सपोज देयर इज अ डिस्कशन गोइंग ऑन, टू पीपल दे आर डिस्कसिंग, दे आर टॉकिंग, एक्सचेंजिंग आइडियाज, है ना। एंड देन फॉर एग्जाम्पल जैसे पोस्ट इलेक्शन एनालिसिस में होता है, they are exchanging ideas, and then talk is very much logical in the beginning, and then what happens is that they don't see the point, validity of point in each other's discussion. So what happens is they try to overpower each other, and then the voices increase, emotions increase. जैसे जैसे इमोशन इंक्रीज होते हैं वैसे वैसे हीट इंक्रीज होती है उस कॉन्वर्सेशन में। सो धीरे धीरे लॉजिक कम होता जाता है और इमोशन ज़्यादा बढ़ता रहता है। नाउ व्हाट हैज़ हैपेंड, देयर इज़ अ शिफ्ट फ्रॉम रैशनल टॉक, लॉजिकल टॉक टूवर्ड्स इमोशनल टॉक। एंगर आता है, इंसल्ट्स आते हैं, सब आता है। नाउ अ पॉइंट कम्स, दिस शिफ्ट इज टेकिंग यू टूवर्ड्स दैट ब्रेकडाउन. And that breakdown point comes when logic is minimum, emotion is maximum. That is the point where we can identify weeping. Okay, can you relate with this? Have you seen this happen with your patients when you are taking case? Think over it. This is how we apply weeping. And now if we go and look into the repertory, there are many rubrics of weeping. I'll be sharing some cases where I have used this rubric and the sub-rubrics also. The sub-rubrics we are going to discuss will be weeping touched when, weeping easily, weeping despair from, weeping contradiction from. We will be talking about these rubrics. I can narrate, say a little bit, say of the patient, not the whole case, but at least why I was inspired to take this rubric. Why did I analyze the case and took this rubric? That is what I will be sharing with you. And we will compare the remedies if possible to some extent, right? So this is how we plan to take this series of rubrics. Please let us know in the description or in your comments whether you enjoy this, what would be your suggestions. Okay, and once again I would remind you about Essence 1 series which are going on online. Please get in touch with us if you are interested. Thank you.